I now request our reception team to welcome and escort our dignitaries onto the stage to preside over this ceremony and commence with the stage proceedings. Representative Mr. U.T. Kadar, MLA, Mangalore Constituency and Ex-Minister, Government of Karnataka. Eminent Academician Dr. K. Uma Maheshwar Rao, Director, NITK Surathkal. Celebrated industry leaders Mr. Sharad Sanghi, CEO, NTT Global Limited, Mumbai. Architect N.M. Salim, Principal at N.M. Salim and Associates, Calicut. Beloved leaders and visionaries of our institutions, Mr. Syed Mohammad Berry, Chairman, Berry's Group, Mr. Siddiq Berry, Trustee, Berry's Group, Mr. Masar S. Berry, Trustee, Berry's Group, Captains of our institutions at Berry's Knowledge Campus, Dr. S.I. Manjur Basha, Principal BIT, Architect Ashok L.P. Mendonca, Principal Beads, Dr. Asis Mustafa, Director, BIT Polytechnic, HODs of various departments of BIT, Dr. Abdullah Gubbi, Electronics and Communication Engineering, Professor Afsar Beg, Computer Science and Engineering, Dr. Vasant Kumar, Mechanical Engineering, Professor Zahir Ahmad, Civil Engineering, Dr. Anjum Khan, Department of Basic Science, Head of the Department at BEATS, Architect Ruxana Algur, Head of the Department at BIT Polytechnic, Professor Mohammad Anas. I request the audience to greet and welcome them with a big round of applause. A famous quote from Miranda Kerr goes like this: "Sometimes challenges and struggles are exactly what we need in our lives." May you welcome every effort, every struggle, and every challenge. May you open your wings and fly. This is so very relevant to this occasion. As we ruminate on this meaningful quote, I call upon our beloved principal, Dr. S.I. Manjur Basha, to offer the welcome address.
I will begin in the name of Almighty. Good morning to one and all. Respected guests and dignitaries on the dais, Mr. Sharad Sanghi, CEO, NTT Global Limited, Mumbai, Dr. Uma Maheshwar Rao, Director, NITK Surathkal, Mr. U.T. Kadar, MLA and former Cabinet Minister, Government of Karnataka, Architect N.M. Salim and Associates, Calicut, Mr. Syed Mohammad Berry, Chairman of Berry's Academy of Learning, Mr. Ashraf Berry, Mr. Siddiq Berry and Mr. Mazhar Berry, Trustees of Berry's Academy of Learning, Architect Ashok Mendonca, Principal, Beads, Dr. Aziz Mustafa, Director, BIT Polytechnic, heads of all departments, and faculty members of BIT, BEADS and BIT Polytechnic, parents and my dear graduates, press and media staff, all guests and invitees. I am honored to be a part of this splendid 9th graduation day of Berry's Institute of Technology, 2nd that of BEADS and 5th diploma graduation day of BIT Polytechnic. Good morning again to one and all present here. Every year our institution is privileged to have such great compassionate people to honor our graduation day, to influence and enlighten our graduates who have been a successful alumni always. I wholeheartedly welcome all on behalf of Berry's Institute of Technology, BEADS and BIT Polytechnic. All our guests and dignitaries are eminent personalities in their own profession and field. In spite of their busy schedule, they have been here today to grace this occasion. A warm and hearty welcome to one and all on and off the dais. I cordially welcome Mr. Sharath Sanghi, CEO, NTT Global Limited, Mumbai. It is my pleasure to extend a warm welcome to you, sir. I am honored to have amongst us Dr. Uma Maheshwar Rao, Director, NITK Surathkal. Sir, we are deeply honored to welcome you on this great occasion. We have amongst us today Mr. U.T. Khadar, MLA, former Cabinet Minister, Government of Karnataka. It is my pleasure to extend a cheerful welcome to you, sir. I acknowledge a hearty welcome to architect N.M. Salim, N.M. Salim and Associates, Calicut. A pleasing welcome to you, sir. I feel immense pleasure to have our beloved chairman today. I am delighted to welcome Mr. Syed Mohammad Berry, chairman of Berry's Group and Berry's Academy of Learning. A hearty and pleasant welcome to you, sir. We are proud to have amongst us our trustees here. I acknowledge a hearty welcome to Mr. Ashraf Berry, trustee, Berry's Academy of Learning. I am delighted to welcome Mr. Siddiq Berry, trustee of Berry's Academy of Learning. It's my pleasure to extend a welcome to you, sir. It's my great pleasure to bid a very warm welcome to Mr. Mazhar Berry, trustee, Berry's Academy of Learning. A hearty welcome to you, sir. A warm welcome to my colleague, architect Ashok Mendonca, principal of Berry's Enviro Architecture Design School. A pleasing welcome to you. Also, I welcome Dr. Aziz Mustafa, Director, BIT Polytechnic. A warm welcome to you. I am extremely happy to welcome heads of various departments one by one. Dr. Abdullah Gubbi, Head of the Department Electronics and Communication Engineering. Dr. Vasant Kumar, Head of the Department Mechanical Engineering. Professor Zahir Ahmad, Head of the Department Civil Engineering. Professor Afsar Baig, Head of the Department Computer Science and Engineering. Dr. Anjum Khan, Head of the Department Basic Sciences. Architect Ruxana Algur, Head of the Department in Beads. Professor Anas, Head of the Department in BIT Polytechnic. I am extremely happy to welcome all the faculty members and staff of BIT Beads and BIT Polytechnic on this happy occasion. I am much delighted to welcome all the graduates, the engineers, the architects and the diploma awardees, those who are graduating today, and also their proud parents and relatives who have come here to grace the occasion from far places and other states. I am delighted to welcome our principals and heads of various sister concern institutions. Professor Doma Chandrasekhar, Campus Director, our Kodi Campus. Dr. Shamir, Principal of Berry's First Grade Degree College. Professor Siddhappa, Principal of Berry's B.Ed College. Dr. Firdaus, Principal of Berry D.Ed College. Ms. Ashwini Shetty, Principal, Berry's Seaside Public School. I am delighted to welcome all the teachers, faculty and professors from our sister institutions for this program. It's my pleasure to extend a warm welcome to all the press and media friends. On this graduation day, our proud alumni have accepted our invitation to come online to motivate our passing out graduates. We have amidst us our delighted alumni available through online. Mr. Purnesh, BE Civil 2015 batch, pursuing his masters from University of Adelaide, Australia, and Mr. Abdul Muhammad Naushad, BE Mechanical 2014 batch, currently pursuing his postgraduate degree in Canada. I welcome all our proud alumni, those who are available online. Our graduates present here would be more enthusiastic about today's event, a long journey which has taken a lot of patience, dedication, determination, discipline, and hard work. It is a very proud moment for the graduates, parents, and teachers who have all played their part in the end result. Your teachers have done their greatest help to you by encouraging and motivating you to perform at optimum and achieve the end result. Your parents have made many sacrifices in the last few years, especially during the pandemic year, and provided you with the enabling environment at home, financial and moral support to help you through this phase. Dear graduates, you are highly prized and you are here with your beloved parents and family members to celebrate your accomplishments. The institution has prepared you not just on the academic front, but to play your part in helping communities improve their quality of life. You will have amazing networking opportunities in your next phase. You will meet new people with different cultures, values, attitudes, and knowledge. My best wishes to you all, my dear student friends. You are future ready now. You have to apply your knowledge, intelligence, passion, and courage to bring about the changes you have dreamt about and keep learning throughout. Pursue ideas that will create wealth for the benefit of the society. Keep growing, keep adding to the goodness and beauty in the world. Keep developing those unique dreams and talents that make who you are. Whatever you do, never stop learning, exploring, growing, and challenging yourself to be your best. I hope you will oblige my message to realize your wish and goal. Before concluding, I once again welcome each and everyone who are present here today, this day, a memorable one. Welcome you, one and all. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your eloquent address. Let's extend a hearty welcome to our principal, sir, to this program.